Test. Oh, guys. Let's set this up really quick. Set up the monitor. Market should be opening in 25 seconds. Let me set this up really quick. I feel like a brand new person. All right, here we go. Morning, chicken. Skooks. Ah. There we go, baby. Let's go. Oh, I didn't even see this AMC pullback here pre-market. I mean, after hours yesterday. It doesn't even matter what happened after hours or pre-market. Quadruple fives. 55, 55 for the low here, followed by a nice recovery. Look at that strength coming on AMC. So we're still kind of teetering here under 60. We're still in play. We can hold 55 today for AMC. I don't care what AMC does. If it can hold 55, it's a good day. Morning, John. Wait, I see a lot of people bringing up Powell. P-O-W. Every time you guys say that, I think of Jerome Powell. But I forget it's ammunition. 996 after hours yesterday. Look at that beautiful daily. I mean, at this point, man, if I'm buying here, I'm literally chasing the highs, and you can see here people are taking some profits. There's a pullback here after hours. They had earnings, probably an earnings hype, I would say. AMC back to 56, 56. What's going on, Keith? Let's pull up good old Ortex. We have no other choice. I'd take Ortex over Finto any day, anyways. We have no choice. What is that you're looking at? This? It's AMC and GameStop. Morning, Kevin. YouTube hit your live stream yet again. They always do it. I can't do anything about it. Unless I pull up to the YouTube headquarters. I think the headquarters are here too. I've always passed by the building. A lot of like esports organizations, like gaming esports, like I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the 100 Thieves. 100 Thieves, like Drake invested in them and whatnot. They have their headquarters here too. They're sponsored by Cash App and whatnot. So GameStop is still right around 210. That support level, I swear we've been on GameStop at 210 level for quite some time. Oh yeah, guys, Neo. I think Neo had an offering, no, or was that Xpeng? Or they upgraded Neo, I believe yesterday. I think I read who upgraded Neo. Citigroup raises price target to 72 from 58. That's one. Xpeng, there you go. This was yesterday. Sets to raise 1.8 billion. GameStop still kind of pulling back here. So that was a little price target upgrade. Usually Neo is following Tesla pretty closely. So look at the spikes and similarities on Neo and Tesla. Look at this. Similar. Xpeng is probably dropping. Yeah, they're gonna raise some capital. 1.8 billion global offering of 85 million shares, and it's at 1 point something percent pre-market. So this one also usually just follows Neo and X and Tesla. Is it true they're giving hedgies 13 to 14 days to cover their naked shorts? I don't believe any of that, guys. You guys know I don't. At this point, if it happens, man, it happens. If it doesn't, oh well, Like we've been saying that for months. For months. I keep seeing videos that, oh, it's 21 days, and I don't even watch any more of these videos sometimes. It's just like I know what they're gonna say. It's just gonna be hopium and nothing happens, and then again the cycle repeats. What's the next catalyst? The only catalyst I could see from the actual company is the movies they're putting out. The proxy, the votes is in 1 month. The vote is in 1 month. That's it. That's it. Apart from that, whatever the hedge funds do, they do. We have no control over that. No control. We're giving too much importance to things we can't control. 56. 55. I don't want to see a double bottom. That 55 support. Oh, let's put this on the right hand side really quick. That's an ugly candle. That's an aggressive candle. 56.52 to 55.62. SoFi, I've heard a lot of people have been talking about SoFi, Workhorse, new low 55.30. GameStop with the same thing at 207. Every time we hit 60s, there's some resistance there. 2090 low, 24. We're literally just waiting for catch the bottom, find a support level. $35. Today's the last day. I forgot. Today's the last day of the quarter. And then I think the market is closed on Monday, right? Which is that? Yes, Sunday. So yeah, an observance. I believe the market should be closed on July 5th on Monday. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. Morning, Lawrence. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the Nasdaq really quick. I forget though. There's a whole other market out there. Although wow, the VIX did run up after I was yesterday 17. Nasdaq red. SPY pulled back yesterday after it had hit another high back to back. Let's take a look at the Dow. Barely green too. Tesla pulling back. GameStop new low. No, I don't have my VIX calls anymore. Remember they expired? I had 18th. They expired on the 18th. I had bought them really close. I didn't go too far out. Let's see AMC on Ortex. Let's go on Twitter as well. Let's see what's popping on Twitter. What are people talking about? Short interest for Ortex is showing 19.16%. The short interest is down 0.08%. There's also speculation of a CCIV squeeze with the short interest on this one, I believe, being 20%. I think it has less, a little less than half of the amount of shares that AMC has. Like 200 million, I believe, is the float. What's going on, Aziz? I'm doing good. How about yourself? Yeah, I'm fully vaccinated now, guys. I got 3 vaccines yesterday. Can you believe that? 3 vaccines. And when including the first one, that's 4 vaccines in 1 month. Let's see what Trey said. Trey tweeted. I don't think that's to do anything with stocks. I'm not being paid to share this, nor will I be paid for signups. Yeah, right. Look at this. Trey, come on, buddy. I'm not being paid to share this, and look at the referral. It says hashtag, or I mean, /referral, hashtag Trey. Oh, you can't lie. You can't lie to us, Trey. No. But that's Unusual Whales, guys. Unusual Whales really blew up in the last couple weeks and months. I think I told you guys to follow Unusual Whales, and there's another one for crypto. Whale Alert, I think. Those are really insightful people on Twitter that they just give out a lot of free info. So just follow them for free. Let's see what else is trending. Oh, come on, AMC. Finance is trending. Uh, Not a lot of things this morning. No third eye, not yet. 55 still. Down 2.6% today. Interesting. Look at the 1 hour chart. Mid-June, there's some support right around 52. Worst case scenario, there's a triple bottom coming at 45, in which I don't think we'll see. But if we can hold 50s, anything above 50 is still the win. Preferably 55, I would like to hold today. 55. Lumber prices dive more than 40% in June. Let's see Clover. Clover does like these crazy drops in the market open, and then it starts reversing really, really quick. I mean, look at what happened yesterday. It just started shooting up all the way to $14. The same thing's probably going to happen today. Look at it go. 13.90, 92, 95, 98, 99, 1402. ALF. How's this one? Still down at 14. This one kind of died down too. This one was so hyped right around $20, and then it didn't really do much. Morning, Chris. Yeah, I don't feel as bad as the first those for some reason. I got the TDAP, the HPV, and the Moderna. Market is very flat today. Nasdaq's only down 0.10%. No really a clear sign of direction yet. Let's just wait. I mean, the market just opened like 10 minutes ago. Still at 55. There we go. Hopefully we hold 55 today, guys. 55. I would love to see a red or green move, as well as for GameStop. But GameStop usually the one that's a little slower. Let's pull it back from finance, see what stocks are trending on there, and take a quick look at the volume right now so far. CPNG, GE, CERE. I don't know none of these stocks. Volume for AMC 7.3 million. It's the GameStops. 217K. $55. So they're still searching for people at the Florida condo collapse. 12 dead now. A rescue mission enters day 7. Yeah, that's sad. I mean, have you guys looked into that? It was so obvious that there was a high chance that this was gonna happen. There was pictures exposed of like the parking structure, the pillars that supported it, and they were literally missing chunks at the bottom. And there was like a red paper that said, I forgot what it said, but it was like a warning that said this building isn't safe. That was just ignored. It's all negligence. You back with Mac? I don't know what you mean by that. You're back with Mac? More so politicians are trying to protest this due to climate change. No, I think it was just physically the building was it wasn't strong. It was ignored and this was bound to happen. So it's gonna be a learning lesson. I mean, people are probably just also searching their building history, structure, and whatnot. Because is that the last thing you want to happen is the same situ you don't want to be in the same situation. Oh, AMC. No, I'm only swing trading and day trading. I'm not holding anything too aggressively overnight. Ortex tweeted fails to deliver data for the first half of June is out. To see the latest report of FTD's start a free trial Ortex. Alrighty, there's that first test of resistance on the EMA in the 1 minute. It's at 55.35, and on the 5 minute, it's at 56. So if there's going to be a move above 55 right here at the resistance, we should probably see 56, but I think it might be too early to call it, and I think we're getting rejected at 55 slightly. Even GameStop as well. Look at this, similar patterns here. I appreciate that, Samuel. Let's see. Tesla, what are we doing? 686, so we're down under 7 still. On that 4 hour, guys, on this uptrend we've been having for months, it's finally above, finally holding above that level. Is anybody holding any Tesla calls, perhaps, or maybe some shares? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin hit, what, 37 last night? AMC still seeing resistance here. There's still resistance. Morning, Stacks a lot. Just in, Brazil's unemployment rate for April is 14.7%, which is a record high for the country. I blame Neymar. Somebody replied that. I'm holding ALF at 18 and it's down to $15. See, what was your plan, Robert, with ALF? If I was scoping out a trade on ALF, it was a quick in and out play. The holding this is like holding it's like playing hot potato. Ben, Pokemon GameStop 209. Doing the opposite of AMC. I feel like AMC's just been slowing down. Come on. $55. There we go. There goes Nasdaq. Pushing up. I think it made up its mind. It's going to be another green day. Might be too early to call it, but let's see. I mean, we should get a lot of volatility into the market close today. The last day of the quota. There's no volume. Current volume is usually the first minute. Yeah, volume is kind of dried down here a bit, but we're still moving. GameStop's where it's really quiet. It's really slow. Morning, Phoenix. Bitcoin's at 34.6 thousand. 34.6. There we go. AMC closing above the EMA resistance. That's the first sign of reversal. Now we go back to 56. Come on, AMC. Don't disappoint. Take us back to 56, baby. GameStop going back to 210. Yeah, GameStop has been a C for a while. I mean, we had that meeting in Texas, and then we had hit like 349 right up here, and then we got dropped back down. The AGM. All right, let's see if we can hold above the blue line. Let's see if we can close above 55.30. Neo had hit 50, almost 52. You guys remember this fell to like low 30s? Neo had collapsed to $30. It's at 52 now. There goes GameStop, 210. SoFi, huh? Coinbase. Mm. Man, literally AMC and GameStop are boring the crap out of us. There's no movement in any direction yet. It's like quiet before the storm. I miss like the crazy volatile days. Remember we had hit like 600 million in volume? Morning, Nathan. I'm glad my Virgin Galactic prediction came through, dropping to 45. Did we drop under 50? Oh, it did drop under 50 after hours yesterday. We're 47. No. Oh, this one dropped 50 yesterday. I mean, this is a healthy pullback though. This was overextended on the 4 hour on the daily too. Look at that. I mean, if I was in like at 30 and then I saw this spike to 60, I would have taken my profits, man. There has to be a pullback. And if it kept on going, I don't care. I already locked in my profits, so why would I care? This was actually a pretty interesting. What do we have? 45? Let's say alerts. There we go. AMC still deciding where it wants to go. Does it want to come back down to 54 and test support, or it wants to shoot up and hit 56? I haven't traded Raya Mara SOS. Robert's the one that usually goes for. I think he's holding on Mara. Did you see GameStop's volume yesterday? It was the lowest since last year. I didn't compare any days, but I wouldn't doubt it. At this rate, everybody best say F you to Adam Aaron and vote no. We're still, because we're still gonna be holding. I don't know. I don't want to predict anything, but a couple of months from now, 2022, I don't know where AMC's gonna be at. Does anybody want to take a guess? I want to see your guys' guesses. Where will AMC be trading at on January 1st, 2022? That's way too far out. $30? You think it'd already be coming back down to fair value? Hmm. Because I mean, think of what happened in January and now. That's already 6 months. And look where we're at. We're at 55. It's like so hard to predict. $82, $5. Today's hedgy sponsored pump and dump is ticker CUEN. Is this like a cash app? There we go. 55.50, baby. Let's go to 56. 7 million, but with inflation, it'll work out to like 4 cents. Yeah, keep in mind inflation. Who knows where we're gonna go in the next couple months. So that CUN is a ghetto Amazon. By then, Ralph, everyone will need money to pay off for all the garbage the government makes us pay, and for gas will be outrageous. It already is. Oh, wish. See, I wouldn't hold a stock like this. I just feel like it's way too risky. I mean, you're just pretty much relying on the sentiment of Wall Street bets. $4 a gallon here for premium. We're almost here at 5. Still at 55, kind of trading sideways here. No sign of direction just yet. HCM. Ooh, healthcare. Approved patent. Approved in China for patients with lung cancer. Receives conditional approval. China for lung cancer treatment. And then right after, look at this. They announce an offering. See, that's the problem with these stocks. They're gonna need a lot of money to continue. I mean, look at this yesterday. It didn't go anywhere. Lightly traded, and as of now, it's still going up, but too much risk. I've heard a lot of bad things about the actual business itself. Wish about the products you get, garbage. 5 for 91 over here. $140 to fill the Raptor last weekend. $55.04. Come on, AMC. This drawing of the volume isn't the best, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, if it starts dropping hard on little volume, then I think that'll be a red flag. Is it time to short AMC again? You won't even find any shares unless you're like on what is that? Interactive brokers. Maybe you'll find some shares there, but it's just too risky. And who knows what the fee is too. E-Trade has shares, really? Still 55. We need some volume to push us up to 56. What's Tesla doing? Stacks a lot. What is it doing? Not much. I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna call him and be like, "Hey, I want to short AMC. Give me some shares. Find me some shares." Neo hit a new high. Apple had come off the highs at 137. Assuming Nasdaq pulled on down, right? Yeah, slightly, still red. SPY still at 427, right under the highs. And AMC is still trying to make up its mind of where it wants to go. Under 55 or above 55 to 56. GameStop is holding a little better than AMC. Interesting. Usually GameStop's a slow one, and then it starts to follow AMC on the way down. But no, it's doing the opposite. It's about to go green on the day. There we go. Ooh, that candle alone took us to the green day. Oh, now we're back down 0.01%. Breaking news, May home sales rebound to highest level since 2005. Absurd stat of the day. JP Morgan hiked its pay for first year analysts to 100,000 up from 85,000, making it the most lucrative big bank to work for right out of college. Come on, AMC, do something. Neiman Marcus is going to stop selling fur products by early 2023. Okay. I'm shorting gold currently. Yeah, gold has not been doing too hot. There you go. People lost interest in AMC because of all the BS that's going on. I still think a lot of people are holding, but I think definitely there's still some people who say they're still holding, but I don't think they're holding. I think they're just not being honest. I think that's just my opinion. I think there's people lying out there. Because I mean, you're right about that. Some people are also gonna get just plain out burnt out, bored of this, seeing other opportunities with the Nasdaq, the market's going to new highs, and you're kind of stuck in a play. And the majority of people are in the green, by the way. Keep that in mind. They're in the green. They're in the profit. Powell has been still been printing, and everything is still up. But I've literally been considering liquidating to physical coin, trying to go for that hard money, huh? Some people say they're holding, but they sold at 70. I'm pretty sure a lot of the people, like the YouTubers, this is my opinion. It might sound crazy. I think they're not. I think they're out of AMC. Call me nuts, but I think they don't hold any more AMC. That's just like my little conspiracy. Like usually, my gut is what's telling me like these guys are out, and they're just trying to do it for the YouTube. And I don't want to sound like a hater or anything, but that's my first gut instinct. Like these guys are out, and prove me wrong. Show me a position, and you prove me wrong. You shut me up, But till then, it's like it's kind of hard to say. I mean, a lot of people made a lot of money, man. Like it would be stupid not to sell. It'd be stupid. I made that mistake before, and I'm never gonna make that again. I promise you. If I have profits like that, I'm running away forever. I'm running fast as I can the opposite way. Oh, damn. There we go. 55.50. Give me 56. That's the spike we're finally looking for. On the 5, I think we're testing EMA. Yes, we are. 55.66. Here comes a true test again. Resistance test here at 55.80 and then 56. Oh my gosh, I think it just hit 56. This candle just extended to 56. That's lovely. 56.20. Oh, what a recovery out of nowhere. I feel like this was like a news induced spike. What is this? July 16 100 calls? Let's pull up the options chain. Yeah, AMC's just like, oh, they think I don't trade a lot of volume. Well, let's just shoot this baby up. It went from what 55.11, 55.10 to 56.10. So a whole dollar move here on this what 3 minute move. That's not bad. What was it again? July 16. Now the key here would be obviously to hold 55, above 55. There's 28,000 for July 16 at $100. $100 strike. 28,000 open interest. Let's take a look at this week. Let's take a look at weeklies. 44,000 on the 145 calls. Oh, damn, that's nuts. People are feeling a little risky, huh? $56.20. Still above the blue line on the daily EMA. That's the only thing that matters right now. Support levels. Risky and frisky. That's right. Weeklies 145. It's literally double more than what AMC is worth right now. $56. Pulling on back. Let's set alert at the lows of the day, just in case we finish this stream, or we are gonna finish it, but in like 20 minutes, just to have an idea of where the stock is at. Let's set one for Tesla as well. Pretty ugly pullback for Tesla. Is Nasdaq dropping? It's pulling back. SPY still green. The Dow pushing up. Sir, this is a casino. It's only a casino if you make it a casino, you know? But you control your investments, you control your positions. The volume on this spike here was half a mil. Not bad, not bad. I don't send you any secret messages. Come on, AMC. Days like today make you really miss like the rallies and the volume we had here. I mean, this was just nuts. Look at the volume on these candles. Jeez. Let's pull up GameStop on Ortex. Let's see what's different. 12%. So the short interest for GameStop actually went up nearly almost 4%. Hmm. Market is a casino, sizing your bets at the table versus how much to invest, when to walk away from the table with your loss limit hit, or in the market same conditions. The thing is, you could control your risk. That's the thing. You could cut your losses. You have control over the stock, not over the stock itself, but over your positions. You get what I'm saying? What is a descending flag? AMC never get up above 58. Why you didn't buy enough share yet? I don't know what you mean by that, Kraken. Pulling back to test support, which should be around the 5-minute EMA at 55.70. Um, we're just gonna let this unfold. It's gonna take some time for it to unfold. If it can hold above 55, like we mentioned at market open, I think it's a good day because we're still right under 60. We're still right under that. We still should get a chance in the retest of a 60 level. Let's see if we can at least hold that level. Because every time we hit 60s, it starts to pull on back. A while back. I'm assuming you mean this, like right around here. And this is actually when the short interest for AMC was increasing, by the way. I think you nailed it on this one. If you're talking about this descending flag here at 49.50, the short interest was actually 20% on June 9. It actually is matching the short interest we have now. So I think they were betting on it to come down right after the spike at a 70. But then it found some support. It immediately started bouncing back to 60. That's the one, and that's interesting. Yeah. So I think they did short it back down, thinking it would have cracked right here, June 9. So as soon as it started cracking down, they're like, oh, it's gonna come back down to 20. And then no, it held and it started bouncing back up. The volume was still there. Now we're kind of here at a crucial, I would call this important level. Because if it starts to come back down, we don't know how strong the demand's gonna be here and at what level. We don't know. Because it's gonna be interesting because we haven't cracked under EMA. Literally since like mid-May. Since mid-May, AMC has been literally above this blue line. That's impressive. It's funny how they bounce up. They just slowly drop down again and then bounce. Hedgies making day trade money. Absolutely, they're playing it both ways. Like you know how you go on Twitter and people are always like, "Oh, the hedges are they're losing, they're scared." Quite frankly, I don't think they're scared, and I don't think they're really, really losing as bad as we think they are. You guys remember, the art of war? Appear weak when strong, and strong when weak. Good news, I think. Oh yeah, the this Friday, The Purge comes out. Let's see, AMC theaters. Still at 55.70. I just find it fascinating. Just think back how we were in January, in literally January for the stock. Look at this. I still remember the day this ran after hours. It was trading sideways. I still remember. I'll never. It was into market close. It was trading around like 450, just sideways. And then out of nowhere after hours, it went up to like $17 and people were going crazy. And now it's at 55. It's like just looking back, it's nuts. Uh, wait, tomorrow. Who has been here since December? That's the real question. Since December. Or maybe January. December, January. Tesla. Let's see what Tesla is doing. 685. Tesla is in the hands of the good old Nasdaq. AMC coming back up, baby, above 56. Let's hold 56. Let's have a reversal, man. Let's have a reversal. If we can hit 58 today, that'd be amazing. January 30. I was here watching Ralph in December 2016. Liar. I never did videos in 2016, I think. January, end of January. Yeah, end of January is where things are really crazy. January 27. You know, I went back to my videos like a couple of years ago and I was actually trading AMC like at $3, $4, I think, or $9. It's really crazy. I think it was maybe $12. I don't remember. But I have a video on this and it's just nuts. It's just crazy to think back. It's all a blur now. I was late to the game. It's never really, I guess you can say it's late, but then you learn. That's the thing, you learn. You experience it and it's always at the back of your head. So when you see another type of these moves, you're like, I've seen that before. It's another one of those, you know? Whether it's a market crash, it's a short squeeze, that's what counts. Experience is what counts. Because in the future, you're able to capitalize on it better. You're able to hop in earlier. Mid-January, nice. Late today is early tomorrow. There we go. $56 still for AMC. London stocks fall as UK GDP revised slightly lower and worries over Delta variant simmer. No way, Bed Bath and Beyond is rallying. Oh man, again? This is crazy. Bed Bath and Beyond is back. I'm pretty sure this is the earnings rally. All right, we beat EPS estimates. How about sales? Yes, it also beat sales. Reports strong first quarter results for sales and gross margins ahead of expectations. Yes, sir. Oh, AMC is spiking. AMC always spikes when we're not looking at it. So we hit 56.50. This places us back at market open levels. So we're back. We recovered from that little minor drop we had here. What's next for you, AMC? We just need a retesting of $60. We need to push back above. We're not that far away from 60. That's the thing. We're not that far away. Watch Richard Branson's Virgin Orbit launch satellites to space with the 747 jet. Is this live right now? Yep. Oh, ho, 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 AMC, what are you doing, buddy? 57? Wake up. Let's go. 57.15. You gotta love the spike like this. Virgin Orbit is the YouTube channel where they're streaming that. That's lovely. All right, we just reversed on these losses here on market open. AMC went green. There we go. We got the R to G move, baby. Red or green. Can you show the buy wall? This activate windows, man. Wednesdays are usually good for GameStop, especially after back-to-back sideways or lower trading days. Like GameStop will always push to 20. It's a nice pattern to always, or like a nice habit to have to notice patterns, especially in the market. Wednesdays, huh? Let's see, Wednesday. This Wednesday we kind of stayed flat into the market close. This shot up into the market close to 229. Next Wednesday or last Wednesday, traded sideways. This Wednesday we had a oh, this was when we were kind of in Texas. Yeah, June 9, 326 rally and dump into closing after hours. AMC's about to hit 58. $58, baby. This is just strong and beautiful. Or it's still in the game, guys. Volume is coming back in. That's exactly what we need. Volume. Is this like some shorts covering or a whale coming in or what? I can make anything entertaining. You should do commentary. Maybe I appreciate that. All right, now we pull back. Let's expect a healthy pullback on the 5 minute. We're looking overextended, just like when we fall and we look oversold. There's usually a rebound and vice versa on the way up. There's gonna be a healthy correction. Morning, Victor. Let's take a look at the Doge. What's going on, Ragnar? 24 cents for the Doge. Yeah, crypto's well, Bitcoin hit what, 37K? Or really, really close to 37K. Now it's pulling back slightly. Barclays announcing a 15K salary increase for analysts, matching JP Morgan's move. First years starting at 100K. Uh-oh, but Bed Bath and Beyond, July 2nd, these are weeklies. $35 calls. They're seeing some activity there. Yeah, BBY is killing it. Pre-market, we were chilling at 57.48 for AMC. We're back at the same level. We're still there, baby. Oh, 57.50. What a nice recovery. So the key levels for support today for GameStop is obviously 210. 210 is always going to be a support level for at least as long as we trade here. And AMC, I would say 56. $56. If we can hold 56 today, however high it goes, that's a plus. But support levels are always going to be key, especially when AMC is literally right under the resistance of $60. So we're still in the game, baby. It's still here. We're going to end it here, guys, for the live stream. We're going to be back tomorrow bright and early, Thursday. And I'll see you guys next month. I'll see you guys next quarter. Peace out, baby.